Hello, viewers. Good morning. This is Fran's Fresh Start in Chiang Mai. I am back in Chiang Mai after a week of splendid holiday in Pai. A couple of days ago, I came back home and I'm very, very happy to be here. I really missed my home, my own bed and my own sofa. So today I'd like to do a little vlog about AP Condo. A few of my friends in the building just asked me to introduce their properties for sale, and I came across several properties here which I would like to share with you. For those of you who haven't seen the AP Condo from the outside, I'd like to give you a sneak peek on the exterior of the AP Condo, and I'm gonna show you a few of the condominiums that are located in several floors in the building, and I'll give you all the details later, okay? So just to give you an idea, I am now standing in front of the building, and this is the street that's the building is located. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is the street. All right, and from here you go up there until the end. You turn right, and there are all the shops and food courts, etc. And this is the AP Condo. I am now standing in the parking lot, and this is the building. Okay, for those of you guys who haven't seen my previous vlog, this building was built roughly 40 years ago by a Japanese architect. So the model is built from the old days, which is concrete, very, very thick pillars. You can see every few meters there's a big pillar, which makes the building very strong, and it can last more than a century. Okay, so I'm now walking towards the rice field. The building is located in the middle of a rice field on the mountain, which makes the building very healthy. There isn't any strong electrical frequency, which is really bad for you, for the health. So we're just looking at the nature, right? So this is the side of the building, and you can see that it's rice field. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the next rooms. Okay, guys, I am now on the 4th floor. Back in the days, I think about a couple of months ago, this unit was unrenovated. And 2 months later, it is fully renovated. And I'd like to show you how this unit has transformed, okay? So check it out. This is the door. So let me tell you a little bit about this room, this condominium. So it's 38 square meters and the selling price is 1.85 million baht. So if you guys remember, I also featured the room right beside this one. It's the same, exactly the same price. Okay, and obviously the buyer can rearrange the furniture how he likes it. It's beautiful. It's just renovated. Just finished renovating like a few days ago, basically. So it's brand new. And if you guys, any of you guys are interested in this particular unit, please reach out and I will hook you up with my friends in the building. All right, next, I'm gonna show you another one, so stay tuned. Hi guys, so I am now on the 6th floor. This is the second unit that I would like to show you. And this is the unrenovated version, all right? Unrenovated version. So let me show you how it looks. Okay, so let me tell you how much this unrenovated version cost. So my friend tells me this is 1.2 million baht. Okay, 1.2 million baht. And the renovation will cost something like 150,000 baht. And it can take about a month and a half. Okay, so that's the information that I got. It's 1.2 million baht to buy, and it's additional 150,000 for the renovation cost, including, I think, AC and some basic furniture. And it will take a month and a half. Okay, so this is for this particular unit. Now I'm going to show you another one. Stay tuned. Okay guys, now I am at another unit on the 6th floor as well. And for this particular unit, by the way, every unit is different style, okay, different design. So you can't really compare apples and pears. Everyone is individual. Let me show you this condo and I'll let you know all the details, okay? Hold on. Is newly renovated, never been used before, and it's including with almost all the furniture except the single bed here and the tables. Those are not included. And the price to buy is 1.35 million baht. Okay, it's 1.35 million baht, and it can be yours. All right. So any one of you guys interested in this particular unit, let me know, and I'll hook you up with the property owner. Okay, stay tuned to the next. We're gonna have a marathon condo today. All right. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, I am now at another room on the 6th floor that belongs to another friend of mine in the building. And this is renovated. All right, so let me show you how it looks like. I can already see that the floor is made of parquet, wooden floor. And there let me tell you how much this unit cost. It looks like it's renovated. It also looks like people used to live here before and now they're selling it. So to purchase this unit, which is renovated, I would say a few years ago, and you could still do some touch-ups, change maybe the kitchen sink or something like that. But it definitely looks like, it's almost 100% renovated. And the price for this room is 1.25 million baht. 1.25 million baht. That's it, and this unit can be yours. Now, I'm gonna show you the next room. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, moving on. Now, I am at the 10th floor, and this is a renovated room, okay? So let me show you how it looks like. Here, there's a sliding door here, and there's also a digital lock. So there is a digital lock here. So let me tell you details about this unit. It's 38 square meters. It's all the furniture that you see in here is included, and the sales price is 1.45 million. Okay, 1.45 million. And it is negotiable, as far as the owner told me that it is negotiable. But the asking price is 1.45 million for this particular unit located on the 10th floor. Now I'm going to show you unrenovated condo on the 6th floor. Stay tuned. This is an unrenovated condo that needs to be furnished from ground up. And the sales price of this model is 1.15 million baht. 1.15 million baht. And this can be yours. And the renovation process will take approximately 1 month and a half. And the cost is between 150,000 to 200,000 Thai baht. That is the price for renovation and the duration. Any one of you guys are interested in this particular unrenovated condo, please reach out and I will hook you up with the owners. Stay tuned for the next condo. I have 2 more coming. So stay, don't leave yet, all right? Coming right back. Okay guys, now I'm on the 8th floor and this condo is almost fully renovated. It's almost, it needs a little touch here and there, but it's almost like 95% renovated. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So stay tuned. Guys, I just checked everything and it's actually 100% renovated. It's not almost, but it's 100% renovated. And this condo, as you just saw right now, it's fully renovated, and the cleaners are just cleaning it right now after renovation. And the cost for this cute, beautiful condo located on the 8th floor is on sale for 1.4 million baht. That's 1.4 million baht, and it can be yours. So this was the condo on the 8th floor. Now I'm gonna show you something that's located on the 11th floor, and I think that will be the last room that I want to show you for today. So stay tuned for one more that I want to show you. Okay guys, so this is the last room that I would like to show you. It's located on the 11th floor, and it's a bigger unit with 76 square meters. Okay, So this is how it looks. This particular unit is almost fully renovated. There are some work to be done. I see just a small work, but it's almost 90%, 95% renovated. And this particular room is on a sales price of 2.7 million. And obviously, with this price, the room will be perfect. That means everything that needs to be cosmetized to make it look more nice. Like I saw some paint job that needs to be done. So those few touches will be completed, and everything is gonna look perfect. So 2.7 million baht, that is the price for this particular unit, which is 76 square meters. It's located on the 11th floor. All right. I've just been told by the property owner, who is a neighbor in the building, says that everything is going to be perfect. If any of you guys are interested, they are going to clean it up and dust free, and paintings will be perfect as well. All right. So that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And if any of you guys are interested learning about the process of retiring in Chiang Mai and buying a condominium for investment or for your sanctuary, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to show you and guide you the whole 9 yards. All right. Thanks for watching, and until my next vlog, take care wherever you are. Be happy, and I hope to see you in Chiang Mai very soon. Bye bye. Love you.